Did you know that cameras were invented over 500 years ago? But photographs didn't come along until the 1820s. How is this possible? Let's talk about the camera obscura. This is a natural phenomenon in which light passing through a small hole into a dark space will project an inverted image of the view outside. Light rays reflected off of objects will travel through the hole, and here's a diagram because it's actually kind of hard to explain. You've heard of pinhole cameras, right? Well, this is a pinhole camera, and it turns out that people have made them by accident throughout history. In fact, this is how our vision works. Light travels through the aperture of our pupil and projects an inverted image onto our retina. Our brain then flips the image and we can see. Our eyes have lenses that channel that light, and in the second half of the 16th century, people began to add lenses to these pinhole cameras as well, which gave greater control over the size and sharpness of the image being projected. The projected image was used as a drawing aid. You can project a scene and then trace it exactly as it appears, and this was a very popular method for technical reproduction. There were all kinds of words used to describe this phenomenon, but the term camera obscura was first used in 1604, and it stuck. Once we had these cameras, scientists and inventors had their work cut out for them. Here's a projected image. Find a way to make this permanent. The very first photograph, taken in 1826, was made by hardening bitumen. Areas hit by light passing through the camera obscura would solidify, and areas in shadow would remain soluble and could be washed away. This process took an exposure time of about 8 hours, so not super practical, but possible nonetheless. And thus, photography was born, although it was called heliography at the time of its invention. I have a video about that as well, so go check it out next.